So next experiment is JK flip-flop. So JK flip-flop, as we observed here, JK flip-flop, JK truth table, go to the JK truth table. Here JK truth table. Now here you observe when it is 0 0, no change, means whatever the previous it will follow. When 0 1, reset condition, that is 0 1 you will get it. When 1 0, set condition. When 1 1, you will get the toggling condition. This is a truth table of an JK flip-flop. Same thing we have written here, truth table of JK flip-flop. Here is a truth table. Then according to that we have written a code. According to that we have written a code. Here is a code. Q bar clock reset JK input to output to as output we take as a register. Then we have taken a TQ. For toggling conditions we'll use the TQ. Then positive edge of the clock. If reset then begins, it will be 0. Else it will start working. When it is 1 0, then it will be Q less than or equal to J. What is that J means? Previous whatever the J is there, same thing it will get a Q. When Q is when 0 1, then it will be 0. Then it is 1 1, then it will start the toggling condition. Here this is the toggling condition. Next to finally Q bar is the not of Q. This is for when both are 1 1. When both are 1 1, then should work the toggling condition. That is why we have taken a TQ. This is an code. Comment here JK flip flop. Comment here JK flip flop. We will see the JK code. Here is a JK code. So on a desktop we have to create a one folder, that is you have to create a one folder. I will create JK2. Okay. So on JK again same right click, open terminal. You have to create one empty file, that is jk.v. Another one test bench document, that is jk-test.v. Okay. Now JK flip flop, you want to type the program. Here is a program. Copy this, paste. We have to type the program. So here save it, .v file. Again you should go to the test bench. So on test bench we say manual. So copy the code, copy, paste, save. So this is the test bench program. Here input we have taken as a register and output take it as a wire, and we have taken one JK11 and JK1 and K1. Why? Because as we see the truth table, here is the truth table, we will take it as this is as a JK1 and K1. This is and take as a JK. When it is 0 0, then 0 1, then it will be no change 0 1. So it is in previous state and it is in next state. So previous, to show the previous states we have taken J1 and K1. Why we have taken this? Means for toggling condition we have taken like this test bench code, and we have initialized this. We have initialized the inputs, and according to that input we are going to check the output. Okay. Now we will go to the save, close it. Now we will go to simulation, open terminal, right click, tab, source space CSHRC, NC launch, multi-step, create, save, don't include drive, okay, compile it, select, compile it. So on test bench there is an error, you have to extract that error. So it will not work compile. On a test bench there is an error, so you have to check the error. Go to the program. So after compiling, go to the program, extract, so there is no error. Again after so workflow automatically generated. Select that, extract, again select that, extract. So automatically snapshot has generated. Now go to the test bench, go to the simulation part. Select that, send to waveform window, then run. So here you can see, here with the toggling conditions, so you can see the outputs here, you can see the output here. Okay, so this is a waveform for an JK flip flop. Next we will see the RTL synthesis. For RTL synthesis, what you should do, as I already told you, we have to copy the RC script file RC script file on a desktop. On a desktop there is an RC script file. You have to copy that RC script file. Copy, paste it, and you have to change according to your name. What is the name? I have given JK. So you have to change the name according to what you have given, JK, not FF. So change it, JK. Save, close, again open terminal, so space. So automatically area power files will be generated, then RTL synthesis diagram will be open. This is an JK flip-flop RTL synthesis, and next to you can see the power report, then timing report, then area report of a JK flip-flop. This is about a JK flip-flop.